It's that time again. T and Mo off the grid.
Yeah, baby.
I got this little secretary's desk. He seems to be in pretty good repair. I'm gonna have to kind of work on the hinges a little bit, clean them up, and it's been painted, and I would really love to get it to where it's not painted anymore. So I'm gonna start working on it right now. We're putting I just put a little bit of paint remover on the top to see if I can scratch that off a bit. I took the inside guts out and took all the handles off. We're getting to work. We're gonna see what it looks like. I think it'll look really nice stained back to its original finish. Well, we had so much fun fixing this one up, we decided to do another one just like it. Well, kind of just like it. So it's kind of a nice little match set of the two. These are secretary desks. They're old, and they were in rough shape. Boy, we sure love the way they turned out.
For more off-grid projects, home and auto do-it-yourself projects, and survival tips, please subscribe to our channel. T and Mo off the grid.
Yeah, baby.